Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to install Python in Windows operating systems. And it is relatively very easy and involves a few steps. So there are three main operating systems. Are there Linux, Windows and Mac OS. Whether you use a Mac, Windows operating system, you can get Python installed on your computer. As I use a Windows in my laptop, so I will show you how to install Python in Windows operating system. But if you have a MacBook or Linux operating system in your machine, then you can refer the same procedure, but some steps might change during the installation. Now we will see how to install Python on Windows machine, or you can tell Windows laptop. Open a browser in your laptop and then you can use any browser like Firefox, Chrome, Microsoft Edge or IE. As I have Mozilla installed in my laptop, so I will show you how to install Python using this browser. Firstly, I will open Firefox browser and now I will type how to install Python in this browser. I will press the enter button. I will get many search results. So I will click on Python official site, which is www.python.org. Now you can see this is the official site of Python. Here you will find Python official documentations which you can refer, and also you can get a Python community where you can interact or discuss in the forum. Also you can see download tab is there. There you will get the latest Python version available. If you will scroll down, you will be able to see older versions of Python. I would suggest you to install latest version of the Python. If you click on this latest version of Python, you will be able to see 3.12.2 Python version is currently running, which is the latest version available on this site. Click the button that says download Python 3.12.2. Clicking on this button automatically download and save the file for you. Now open the download folder. You will see the newly downloaded file. So double click on this file and run it, so that it will take minimum 1 minute to get this installed. Also you see this Python is for Windows. Now it is showing you successfully Python installed. We will verify and check if it is downloaded or not. We will click on Windows and see Python is recently added. Also there is a method to check Python in the computer or laptop. So you need to click on the Windows button at the bottom and open it. It will prompt you to the black screen. Now you will see the Python is installed with current version, which is 3.12.2. Now we are ready to start programming in the Python. Let's begin with the level 1. It will be like your first step toward programming, which covers some basic programs, and it will be very simple and easy to understand.